Is Gears of War Reloaded stuck downloading or installing on your Xbox app or Microsoft Store? Don't worry, there's a quick fix. In this video, we'll discuss the simple steps to fix these issues within minutes. Let's dive in. Step 1. Reset Xbox app and Microsoft Store. First, let's reset the Xbox app and Microsoft Store to clear any glitches. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Here, find Xbox app, click the three dots, select Advanced Options, and click Reset. Do the same for Microsoft Store. Restart your PC, then open the Xbox app and try installing Gears of War Reloaded again. This fixes most download issues. But if it's still stuck, let's try one more step. Step 2. Clear config folder. Old game files can cause problems. Let's clear them out. Open File Explorer, press Windows plus E. Open the C: drive. Open the Users folder. Open the folder with your username. Find and open the App Data folder. If hidden, go to View tab, enable Hidden Items. Inside App Data, open the Local folder. Find and delete the Gears 5 folder. Open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Search for Gears of War Reloaded and start the install. Select all components like Campaign or Multiplayer when prompted. This should get the game downloading properly. And that's it. You're all set to play Gears of War Reloaded. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.